Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Tasty app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Tasty is a cooking and recipe app offering thousands of recipes, step-by-step cooking videos, and easy-to-follow instructions for home chefs. The app provides personalized recommendations, meal planning tools, shopping lists, and trending recipes. Users can save favorites, explore new cuisines, and access quick video tutorials to make cooking simpler and more fun. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is widely praised for its engaging video content, user-friendly interface, and visually appealing layout. It helps users cook efficiently, discover creative recipes, and follow step-by-step guides for both simple and advanced dishes. Many users enjoy the shareable videos and the ability to plan meals while exploring trending recipes. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. While many features are free, full access to premium content may require a subscription. Some users report occasional app crashes or slow video loading. Additionally, the app is heavily video-focused, so those who prefer text-based instructions might find it less convenient. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the Tasty app may be worth using if you enjoy cooking, want video-guided recipes, and like discovering trending dishes. It shines in entertainment, step-by-step guidance, and meal planning features. However, if you prefer a purely text-based recipe experience or want all content for free, it may not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.